There is a technique that has helped me a lot. This is called finish on a high. What does it mean? Well, quite often we read a book, we read the study text, and there is madness, and they're like, okay, I'm going to deal with that tomorrow. And sometimes it does work because, yes, sometimes we're just too tired to comprehend something new. But also quite often it's a bad idea, because if you know that you need to go there and get into some very, very hard, very tricky material, like let's say value at risk for advanced financial management, you are going to want to procrastinate, and it's going to be hard. So try to walk this like one a little bit, just like one extra step, just to like crawl as much as you can in order to start understanding. Don't finish on the topic that you don't know. Finish on the topic when you just grasp the idea. So, for example, when we are talking about, let's say, SBR, financial instruments, IFRS 9, hedging, okay, well, originally it may look confusing, but hey, try to make a summary. Draw a table of different hedging techniques like no hedging interest. Oh, sorry, no hedging. Oh my God, a cash flow hedging and fair value hedging. I was trying to say interest and forex hedging because I had AFM in my mind. But anyways, try to think about it, and then make a table at least. And then your brain is going to say, oh, it's almost clear, so I will just read it and it's going to be perfectly normal tomorrow. And that is when you need to go and go to bed or do something that you know you're going to finish within the time that you have allowed. So, for example, a short post paper or whatever. So finish on a high, and your study time when you grasped the idea, not when you are when you don't know, or when you're completely lost. Lovely. So what else? Well, the next technique that I like a lot is to treat yourself. Like, I'm not trying to promote unhealthy behavior and unhealthy food habits, but just try to do something that you like, so that your studies would be associated with something good. I remember when my kid was born, and every parent will tell you that the first year is quite hard because you have a baby that would wake up several times a night, and then you're going to wake up early in the morning because that's when they are going to wake up, and so on. You will have to take care of another human being, which is, it's just hard. And I remember that when I would go to bed, I would fall asleep thinking, I'm going to wake up and drink coffee. I'm going to make, well, that mug of coffee. So think about it. Let's say, oh, I'm going to, let's say, wake up, make myself some tasty breakfast, and listen about derivatives or the conceptual framework, or let's say building block model. Or let's say I am going to read this very chapter, and then I'm going to go to my social networks. I'm going to go to my social networks only after I have studied. So I will mix in this dopamine to my studies. So, for example, your coffee, sweet, maybe spray some perfume, social networks, etc. So find whatever would make you happy, actually, and work with that. Now, what else?